Hi everyone, welcome back again to another housing vlog. To ensure you don't miss any new videos when we upload them, we encourage those who are new to our channel to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Videos are regularly posted on our channel, so stay subscribed. In today's video, I have this simple 2 BHK flat for sale in Bengaluru. Overall, the flat is spread across 915 square feet of built up area and has got 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2 balconies with a puja room. It's a freehold property which is located on the first floor facing north direction. All of the flooring work you see is of granite and the flat is semi-furnished. Along with the unit, you also get access to one open parking. It's an Vastu compliant flat located in a gated society with basic facilities like gymnasium, lifts, garden, children's play area, swimming pool and many more. So guys, this simple 2 BHK flat is located at a prominent location, Kadubeesanahalli in east part of Bengaluru. And the asking price for this flat is 78 lakhs. That's it folks from this video. Hope you all found it interesting and useful. Meet you all in the next one.